Hi, my name is Shane Parker. I'm the commercial sales manager here at Village Ford. I'd like to take a moment here to tell you a little bit about all of the different ways that we can help you manage your fleet. Whether you have a fleet of 5 or 5,000, here at Village Ford, we can help you with identifying the right vehicle for your needs. I can help you maintain that vehicle, get parts at wholesale pricing, offer mobile service solutions, as well as dispose of vehicles at the end of their life cycle. At Village Ford, we have a reputation for offering personalized service. The commercial team is no different. We can help you make your fleet as efficient as possible, offering solutions that can reduce your cost by up to 25% with 98% uptime. I'm a car guy through and through. I love trucks specifically, but I also love to go fast. So I love wrenching on hot rods and mixing a little bit of old school with some new school tech. Today we've talked about myself and Village Ford quite a bit. I look forward to talking to you about you and your business and all of the different ways that I can help you with your fleet needs.